Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today on my Birchbox unboxing for November. On top we always get a product card, so I'm going to set that aside. And let's see, the first thing I'm pulling out is High Performance Hair Care. This is Smoothing Balm, which is definitely something I can use. So you put it on before you blow dry it. Yep. I have very frizzy hair whenever I let it air dry, so that will come in handy. Also have from Dr. Jart, this is Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. It says it reduces redness in your skin, so could use that as well. That's pretty cool. Also have, it says Let's Get Naked Frizz Fighter. Okay, cool. So again, something else for my hair. Use before you blow dry. That's cool. And from Stila, that is a beautiful shade. I think it might look crazy on my skin, because some people could do the real pale with like the darker colors. I don't think I could pull that off, honestly. But that is a very pretty color. I like that. And the last item. What is this? Let's look at the card. It says it's a luxurious face cream. Provides serious moisture to all skin types for plump, radiant complexion. That's cool. So these are all products that I will definitely use. So that's awesome. So that is what I got. It's only $10 a month. If you guys want to subscribe, I have a link below. I have a playlist in case you want to see past boxes that I've gotten. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.